to the Book Vandal Shop. Super excited to be back with another Feature Friday. So this will be episode 14. This will be the 14th channel that we have featured here on the Book Vandal Shop. So I think that's just awesome. Let's recap a little bit. Last time, about a month ago, we featured Tanya of Tatty Treasure. There we are. And Tanya at the time had right around 1,000 subscribers. And we had set a goal for 1,500, and I'm super excited to report that Tanya now has over 1,600 subscribers. So she gained 600 subscribers in 1 month. 1 month. That is absolutely fabulous. So as promised, I will give this away. And the name drawn is Cheryl Reimer. Cheryl Reimer. So if you're watching Cheryl, get in touch with me through Instagram or Facebook or however, and send me a message with your address, and I will get that shipped out to you. So congratulations, Tanya. Well deserved. Congratulations, Cheryl, on winning the file folder journal from last month. Okay, here we go. Drum roll. Ta-da. All right, this month's Feature Friday is Darlene. And Darlene, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. McConnachie. I'm sorry. I just call her Darlene. It's Darlene's Creative Studio. Okay, is her website or her email and her shop name and all that. So it's Darlene's Creative Studio. She has tons of videos there on her YouTube channel. I'm just popping over on my computer and taking a look at all of them. I mean, tons and tons. She posts a lot. The most recent project that she has going on is she did a set of drawers made from recycled cereal boxes. So they're just little drawers that you can store stuff in. Super, super cool project. In fact, I have already started collecting my boxes that I am going to use because I am going to make that project for myself. So I'm super excited about that. However, I did choose from her channel. It's an older video of hers. It's from last Christmas time, last December. So it's almost a year old, but it is the large Christmas file folder folio tutorial. And I will make sure that I put that link below for that video. But that's the one I chose to create for this particular video. And so let me show it to you. So I went with a lot of pink this time. You know, I'm not a huge pink person. In fact, I did pink last month with Tanya's, so I'm not sure where the pink is coming from with me. But this is my folio that I made following her tutorial. And I'm kind of proud of it. It's really cute. I used up some paper that I had in a paper pad just in my stash. So it was a paper pad I'd already busted open and used paper out of. So I just thought, well, I'll just work with that. So let me show you. We have a little tag here in the front. And then I put that shine and sparkle. I put this little sticker thing. I had a little booklet of, they're like words and phrases that Lisa gave me. They're Tim Holtz words and phrases. So that was just one of those. And I thought, well, that works well. Sorry, the dogs are clicking through here, and now one of them thinks she's going to be wanting out. So I may have to pause and go do that. So here's another journaling card. And I used some Jane Austen book pages to help embellish with the paper pad. So that just tucks right in there. And hang on a second, I'm going to go let the girls out. Okay, never fails. All right, so this opens up. And then we have 2 pockets here. So you can see how it was made from file folders. I used some purple file folders that I had in my stash. This journaling card comes out, has a couple of little cards in it in the tuck spots. goes right in there. A matching one on this side with 2 little cards. And then this says something about making memories. And I distressed, the paper was a very bright and bold and metallic. Some of the pages have metallic stuff on them, so I did kind of distress them and buff them down to give them that aged effect. So then this flips out, and here we have, oh, you know, like a credit card slot, only we have little cards and tags in there. Okay, and again, there's those book pages, some edging, more book pages, journaling cards here. Okay, and then this side flips out, and on this side I have put a little journal in it. So mine is slightly different than hers. You know, I don't think hers had the journal in it that in the one she creates on camera. But I know she has put journal pages in some of her folios like this. So this is my take on her file folder folio or journal, file folder journal. Okay, and then there's the back side and some kind of lacy edging on the spine. So that's my take on her project. So hop on over to Darlene's channel, hit that subscribe button, make sure you go to this video here, oops, sorry, and leave a comment on that video. Let her know I sent you over, and you'll be entered in the drawing to win this if Darlene hits her goal. And like I said, she's at 1,000, or I may not have said it, she's at 1,480, and let's see if we can help her reach 1,800, 1,800. That's not that many, so I think that will be a very, very easy goal to reach. So pop on over to Darlene's channel. I'll make sure I leave all the links below. Thanks so much for stopping by again and for supporting fellow crafters and helping their channels grow. It makes my heart happy. I hope it makes your heart happy. I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Be safe. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.